Well, the end of the year is very, very close, and I'm sure that most of us enjoyed Christmas. Who doesn't like Christmas? We love to eat. We don't want to worry about our weight. Then we realize, oops, in a few days, it'll be the new year. And of course, we all want to look good. Sometimes our problem now is, how am I going to shed those unwanted pounds? We have only 3 to 4 days left until New Year's Eve, and we can definitely shed off those unwanted pounds very easily. Stay with me. Welcome, ladies, to my channel. Happy New Year. Happy New You. Happy new mindset. Happy new positive outlook. Everything good and positive. And that includes feeling good, feeling complete, feeling empowered. If you feel you're ready, meaning you don't need to shed any unwanted pounds and you're just feeling so ready for the new year, by all means, all you need to do is grab your clothes and get ready. For those of you who think that you need a little boost in your self-esteem because you think that you've gained a few pounds here and there, well, hopefully this video is going to help you. 3 days before New Year's Eve. Okay, we're looking at my clock. It's 6:30 a.m. The first thing that we need to do, wake up and say a little prayer of thanks and gratitude. And today we are ready to really go for that goal, okay? Drink 1 glass of water. No less. Finish that. Don't eat anything yet. Don't put anything in your body but water. So let's give it about 15 minutes. Now, 6:45 to 7:15 or 30 minutes, let's do our workout. It can be dance, it can be fitness, it can be gym, whatever it is that gets your heart rate up and running. Make sure that during your routine, you have some breaks to drink water. By the end of your workout, you should have already drank at least 2 glasses of water. We're looking at 7:15. You are done. Go have your shower, and we are all set for the day's activities. You know what motivates me to go into my workout is because I can drink my coffee. I love coffee. Lots of cream, that's for me, but no added sugar. I use fruit-based sweetener like Lakanto, stevia, or this bottle right here to just add that flavor. Now, after your coffee, do whatever it is you like. If you have to work, by all means, go to work. If you're on holiday like I am right now, then there's a lot of things that we can do. You can clean up your closet, organize your house, organize your pantry, fold your laundry, do your laundry, clean your house or whatever. Because our goal is to get your mind off the kitchen or the dining table, because it's very, very easy to be tempted to eat. Because remember, we're not eating anything yet. Our goal is to not break our fast yet. You know, when we go to sleep, we're actually fasting. So we want to extend that fasting as much as we can, especially because we have a goal, right? I grew up, and probably most of us grew up knowing that breakfast is at about 6 or 6:30 or very early in the morning upon waking up. But actually, the real meaning of breakfast is you are breaking your fast. You fast while you're asleep. So we are just extending our fast until about 11 to 11:15, and that's when we are ready to eat. And remember, we want to watch what we eat. We want to eat the right amount and we eat the right food. So the perfect plate is that you have half of the plate filled with your vegetables, your greens, 1/4 of the plate filled with protein, and the other 1/4 filled with your good carbs. That's the goal. No seconds. Once you're done, you're done. If you really, really have to have dessert, I go for fresh fruit. Definitely no sugar treats, okay? During this 3-day goal we have, you want to drink water. In fact, even after this 3-day goal, make it a habit to not drink fruit juice. Do you know that fruit juices and Coke have practically the same amount of calories and sugar added? Yes. You want to eat whole fruit. That's better because it's also fibrous. Okay, now we're done with brunch. We can just clear the table, wash the dishes, and continue with whatever you're doing. Again, if you're at work, you're probably back to work. But otherwise, if you're at home, which is the more tempting place to be in because you have the fridge right there, you have your cupboard, you have your pantry and things like that. So find something to do. Again, divert your attention. Play music or paint or, make crafts. Now is the time to do that. Focus. By 5:30, it's time to prepare dinner. We once again follow the rule. Whatever is on your plate has to be in healthy proportions. Make it a point to be done your dinner by 8:30 p.m. After that, you can't eat any high-calorie or high-sugar food anymore, okay? So when I'm still hungry, I would have nuts. Cheese is good. Cheese is really good, okay? And some fruit. Water, maybe decaf coffee. And that's when fasting starts. Tomorrow, it'll be 2 days away from year-end. For a change, if you don't want to do the same routine you did yesterday, because that's a 30-minute workout, you can walk around the block if you want. You can run, you can play with your dog, run with your dog. You can dance, or if you go to the gym, cycling is good. Swimming is good. So anything that again will get your heartbeat up. Okay, the day before we had proper meals, but on day 2, I would encourage you to eat more of protein and vegetables and less of carbs. I would do a smoothie. My smoothie would have spinach, kale, apple, cucumber. Those are my favorites. Some turmeric, lemon, and strawberries, and add banana. Banana is perfect for smoothies. You can definitely have a smoothie for dinner. One more day to go before New Year's Eve. Okay, let's do it. Let's wake up with all the positivity on our minds. Now, because you're on your 3rd day trying to be healthy, I am sure by now you feel different. You feel lighter. You feel that you're very energized. You have high stamina. Now, I don't talk about the scale a lot because sometimes it's a very sensitive issue. But if you ever are okay with taking your weight, then it's always good to start taking your weight before you do this 3-day program. You probably already did. And so now, after 3 days, you can take your weight again. Keep that up, stay that way, and even better, follow a healthy routine every single day for the rest of your life. If you find value in this episode, don't forget to like the episode and share and comment too, and let me know if it worked for you. We're looking at 3 days, and I'm so excited to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay active, stay happy and positive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Happy New Year. Bye for now.